Hello everyone, I'm Avishka Tadani, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, we will cover about European Union court rejects Google and Apple's pleas, imposes hefty fines. Netflix to drop support for older iPhones and iPads. CP Plus shines at CII Manufacturing Innovation Conclave 2024. Then we have Canon, which unveils new RF 2870mm f2.8 IS STM lens for EOS R cameras. Acer unveils innovative project dual play gaming laptop. Panasonic unveils new industrial automotive solutions at Electronica India. Optoma India officially registered expanding presence in the market. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the full form of GAN in context of AI, and the answer is Generative Adversarial Network. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: who is the father of AI? Confident you have got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to see if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's begin with our first news. Google has lost its final appeal against a 2.4 billion euro fine from the European Union for breaching antitrust rules with its comparison shopping service. The EU's top court upholds the penalty, making a significant moment in the increasing security of big tech companies. In a separate ruling on the same day, Apple has also faced a setback when the court rejected its challenge against a demand to repay 13 billion euros back taxes in Ireland. Both decisions highlighted EU's tough stance on enforcing competition rules and addressing unfair financial advantages for major corporations. Now we have Netflix, which has announced that it will stop supporting older iPhones and iPads running iOS 16 and iPadOS 16. Users who update to the latest Netflix version will see a message promoting them to upgrade to iOS 17 or later. While the app will still work for now, those on iOS 16 will have to miss out on new features, bug fixes, and security updates, with no clear timeline for when it will stop working altogether. Devices affected include iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 10, iPad 5th Gen, and iPhone and iPad Pro 1st Gen. The iPhone 10 released on 2017 has been marked as a vintage by Apple and will no longer receive technical support or repairs. For the next news, we have CP Plus, which has reinforced its position as India's top security provider at the CII Manufacturing Innovation Conclave 2024. This event, which showcases the latest in manufacturing advancements, highlighted CP Plus' role in modernizing security solutions for India's industrial sector. The company's facilities in Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh reflects its commitment to integrating advanced technology with local manufacturing. M.A. Johar, President of Strategic Business at CP Plus, spoke about the importance of digital empowerment and how the company's innovation solutions have enhanced industrial security and efficiency. CP Plus focuses on indigenized innovation and cutting-edge technology sets new standards for security and operational excellence in India's industrial landscape. Now, we have Canon, which has launched the RF 2870mm f2.8 IS STM, a new standard zoom lens for its EOS R mirrorless cameras. This lens feature has a constant f2.8 aperture, offering users versatility with low light shooting and shallow focus effects. It's Canon's first non-professional grade lens with these capabilities, making it more accessible for photographers. The lens is compact and lightweight, measuring about 9.22 cm in length and weighing around 495 grams, which is 45% lighter than the similar professional models. It includes a powerful optical image stabilizer for sharp, steady images and videos. The RF 2870mm 5.28 IS STM combines advanced technology with travel-friendly design, enhancing Canon's lens line. Now we have Acer. Acer has announced its new project dual play gaming laptop concept at its global press conference in Berlin. This cutting-edge device features a large wireless controller, enhancing gaming on the go. Players can release the controller with a simple button press, which also activates built-in high-fidelity speakers for immersive sound. The laptop allows multiplayer action by enabling another player to join in, with the controller splitting into two joysticks for competitive games like Street Fighter 6. With customizable RGB lighting on the keyboard and screen, Project Dual Play aims to revolutionize gaming with its versatile and interactive design. Now we have Panasonic. Panasonic Life Solutions India showcased the latest innovations at the Electronic India exhibition. The new suite includes a cooling fan motor for motorcycles and scooters, a 6-in-1 sensor for vehicle stability, a cooling fan for heat management, an ultrasonic gas flow measurement unit, and Metron 8, a high-performance circuit board material. These products aim to enhance performance, safety, and reliability in automotive and industrial sector. Manish Sharma, chairman at Panasonic India, highlighted Panasonic's commitment to support India's manufacturing growth with advanced technology. The solutions are designed to meet the needs of modern industries, from improved engine cooling to precise gas measurement and enhanced electronic material for high-speed communication. Now we have Optima India, which has officially registered its presence in the country, marking a significant step for Taiwanese project brand. To celebrate, Optima's leadership team traveled from Taiwan to New India office, highlighting their commitment to global collaboration and innovation. Vijay Sharma, country head of Optima India, thanks stakeholders on Facebook for their support. As Optima begins their new chapter, the company aims to provide high-quality AV solutions to meet India's growing demand, strengthen partnership, and enhance customer experience, signaling a future of expanded opportunities in Indian market. This was all for today. For more tech updates, don't forget to follow IT Voice. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.